Hello everyone and welcome to a new episode on our channel, Farming 4.0. Today we will explore a fascinating and essential topic for many Mediterranean cultures, the harvesting and processing of olive oil. We will see how this liquid gold goes from the olive tree to the bottles in our kitchens, going through each stage from harvesting, extraction, to bottling. If you enjoy this type of content and want to learn more about modern agriculture and the technologies behind it, don't forget to give us a like, subscribe, and activate the bell to stay updated with all our latest videos. Let's get started. Harvesting olives is the first and one of the most important steps in the process of obtaining olive oil. This fascinating process can be done either manually or mechanically, depending on the size of the plantation and local traditions. In large plantations, mechanical harvesting becomes a necessity to quickly and efficiently gather a large quantity of olives. Modern equipment such as trunk shakers and branch vibrators are used to shake the trees and make the olives fall into nets spread on the ground. This process can be surprisingly gentle and efficient, allowing rapid harvesting of olives without significantly damaging the trees. The use of technology in olive harvesting not only saves time and labor, but also allows for more efficient management of large plantations. Additionally, modern machines can be adjusted to harvest at the optimal time, ensuring a consistent quality of olives. In many regions, a combination of traditional and modern methods is practiced to achieve the best results. For example, manual harvesting can be used for olives destined for premium oil production, while mechanical harvesting can be used for olives destined for table oils. The importance of harvesting and the production process. Regardless of the method used, proper olive harvesting is essential for obtaining high-quality olive oil. The timing of the harvest, the technique used, and the care given to the olives directly influence the aroma, color, and nutritional properties of the final oil. Thus, olive harvesting is not just a step in the production process, but also a cultural tradition and an expression of respect for nature and the art of obtaining olive oil. Whether it is traditional manual methods or modern mechanical innovations, each technique contributes to maintaining the quality and authenticity of this valuable product. The olives are brought from the orchard and washed to remove impurities, such as soil and dried leaves. This step is crucial to ensure the cleanliness and quality of the olives used in production. After washing, the olives are crushed to form a homogeneous paste. This can be done traditionally with granite millstones or modernly with cylinder mills to efficiently extract the oil from the pulp. The paste obtained from crushing the olives is then mixed to ensure an even distribution of the oil within the pulp mass. This process prepares the paste for extraction. The oil is extracted from the olive paste primarily by two methods: a traditional method that involves applying mechanical pressure to the olive paste to separate the oil from the pulp and water. This method preserves the flavors and nutritional substances of the oil better. A modern method that uses centrifugation to separate the oil from the rest of the solid and liquid matter. It is faster than cold pressing and can be more efficient in achieving a high yield of oil. Processing olives for consumption in their own juice involves several main steps: selecting and cleaning the olives, curing them in brine to reduce bitterness and preserve them, optionally adding flavors and spices, bottling them in suitable food containers, and sealing them to maintain freshness. Olives prepared this way are ready for direct consumption or for use in culinary recipes. Olives are chosen based on size and quality. Inadequate or damaged olives are removed. Then they are cleaned to remove any impurities such as leaves and small debris. The olives are then bottled in brine, or in some cases dried or preserved in olive oil. This helps maintain their freshness and flavor until consumption. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell to stay updated with new videos and to always learn something new. See you next time. Bye.